In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single leg squat on a TRX, otherwise known as a pistol squat. Now there's two variations of doing a single leg squat on a TRX. One is with the foot forwards, which we're doing in this video, and one is with the foot back. So if you're looking for that foot back variation, I'll do a video with exactly the same title as this one, just with variation 2 at the end. So when we're doing a single leg squat, there's a way that we can do it for a beginner and somebody that's more advanced. So let's go through both variations, the beginner and advanced version of this exercise. Now, in terms of the TRX, you want to set the TRX height up to your hips. So find your hip bone. That is where the foam handles are going to be. When you come into the position of a TRX single leg squat, it is different from your usual squat position. So what I want you to do firstly is with bent elbows, come back until you can feel the tension on the TRX. Choose which leg that you're going to be working, and the other leg is going to come out in front of the body. So here I'm choosing to work my left leg. My right leg is in contact with the floor. So my heel is touching the floor. And for the beginner version, all you're going to do is you're going to come back, keep your arms straight, and you can see I'm doing a partial range of motion coming up and down into the squat position. Now, if you want to do the harder variation, that foot is going to come off the floor for the whole duration of the exercise. So you come back, one leg comes up, I'm off the floor, I'm hovering, and now I'm going to come down, nice and slow, always hovering off the floor and back up, and that would be one repetition. So I'm bending only my left knee, so my left leg's in contact with the floor, trying to keep the knee tracking nice and straight over the second toe. Arms are straight as I come into each individual repetition. That's how to do a single leg squat, doing variation number 1.